is me, Lyric. I'm going to show you my Flipsies. Styla, Salon, and Fashion Boutique. Let's open it up. Instructions. I'll give those to my mom. Ooh. Look at her hair. Let's see what she does.
Hola, I'm Styla.
Her name's Styla.
I'm a professional stylist here to make you feel beautiful.
This is her wig. It looks pretty. Here's her glasses and her shirt. Here's her blow dryer. She comes with a lot of accessories. And this isn't even the half. Let's move on to the actual salon and boutique. More accessories! This salon comes with a salon chair and a mirror. Pretty cool. Let's put her under the chair.
I want a style that's one of a kind. This look is TGF, trendy, glamorous, and fabuloso. I want a style that's one of a kind. Amazing. I love this style. What style should I go with today? Amazing. I want a style that's one of a kind. Let's get this glam session started. Wow, just wow.
Let's have her stand behind the chair.
What style did you have in mind? Let's get this glam session started. Short, long, curly, straight. My hairstyles are super great. I can do hair magic with scissors and a comb. I'll create a style just as unique as you. Bienvenido! Welcome to my salon. What style did you have in mind?
She says a lot of cool stuff.
Short, long, curly, straight. My hairstyles are super great. I can do hair magic with scissors and a comb.
I like the fact that I can change her hair. Now it's time to switch to the boutique. Here's the boutique. Cool.
Amazing. I love this style.
I changed her clothes for the boutique look.
Hola, I'm Styla.
Overall, I will recommend Styla Boutique for all the girls. Hope you get your daughter one. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.